Introducing, can we get a drum roll please? NETGEAR Nighthawk Smart Wi-Fi Router AC1750. This is the best gaming router for the people on a budget, or like, you know, just want to game on without compromise. You know, even though you got the most bonkers PC ever, but you still, you know, want the best router for your setup. Like, you don't need it. This thing gets the job done in a really stylish way. You want to know why? Let me tell you why. Just because how stylish it looks. First of all, it's really low profile. It comes with the 3 antennas. Let me explain why is that. This supports up to 25 devices, which are streaming, like, you know, reliably stream videos, play games, and like surf internet and connect smartphone devices like seamlessly. You can just do it. All 25 at the same time is going to handle it really well. With zero compromises, you know, in the network, with the devices, you guys can stream 1080p, 60 fps videos on every device. It's going to run smooth. So I was talking about you guys can actually connect up to 25 devices on this router, which is nuts. And secondly, it comes with the ports, guys. As you guys can see right over here. Right over here, everybody, this router comes with 4 high-speed Ethernet ports for high speed. Like, this is just nuts. 1 gigabit Ethernet ports. Wow, like, technology in 2021 is at the best price possible you guys can ever get, and it's just amazing. Like, it's just really bonkers. Secondly, at the back, it actually comes with USB 3.0 port. It's not at the back, it's at the front, by the way, right here, for storage. So basically, you guys can add up to like 8 gigabit storage to this thing to save your profiles or like your custom settings if you did it for like games or something, which is nuts, right? 8 gigabytes. My god, for on our router, I'm seeing it for the first time. I don't know about y'all, I'm seeing it for the first time. Wow, that's actually really cool. Secondly, the other best part about this router that I really got impressed, that I got the guest Wi-Fi access. So basically, you can create your own server if you got a guest coming, you know, home, and they want to need your Wi-Fi access to do something, or just kids want to download the games, which you don't want to, you know, give them your real password. You can actually open a guest network for them, which is a temporary network only the guests can use, and you can actually set the limit on it, so your guests just don't use all your data. You know, nobody likes it. So this is another great factor I love about this router. Plus, secure remote access, so you guys can access your home network from anywhere, from any device. Really great deal. You guys can, and it comes with the smart parenting controls if you guys don't want your kids to, you know, go on a different side of internet, which I highly recommend you guys using the smart parenting control for all the parents out there. Plus everybody, it got the NETGEAR Armor Protects, and most of you guys will be thinking like, hey, what's that mean, right? Let me explain what is it. So basically, everybody, the NETGEAR Armor Protects is a network, or like a, you know, a safety feature that protects your network and connected devices from internet threats. Get a peace of mind knowing you have the best in antivirus, anti-malware, and data protection for all your smart devices. To sum things up, it's a protection protocol invented and built into the thing, which is absolutely amazing, and it's gonna just protect all types of, you know, virus, malware before it even can infect your PC. The router is gonna shut them out already. So feel free, surf internet, you know, just with open mind, surf internet. Your router will report to you if it found something, you know, suspicious, like, hey, a virus or like a hacker trying to DDoS you. It's gonna notify you. It's gonna get a notification on your PC desktop. How cool is that, right? So, and you can just easily shut that thing down. Really amazing router, guys, and it's safe and secure, and it supports up to 5 gigahertz of network. The antenna right here at the middle, you guys can see right here, it supports up to 5 gigahertz of network speeds, which is not good for range, but it delivers high speeds. And the other 2 antennas are for 2.4 gigahertz, which is a standard internet protocol, the speeds that you guys use on your standard routers right now. So it got 2 devices with different speeds according to this work you're doing. So if you guys, you know, you wanna game at 0 ping and stuff, I'd recommend using the 5 GHz network on this router. But if you guys doing just standard internet surfing, watching YouTube videos, I recommend then using the 2.4 GHz network, because it's just gonna get the job done in a really old-fashioned way, which is perfect and, you know, reliable.